Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 5th, 2025, and we're diving into DuPont's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss DuPont's latest financial performance.
Let's get started with a brief overview of DuPont. Known for its innovation in technology-based materials, DuPont has been a leader in transforming industries. Today, we'll explore their Q2 2025 earnings report and what it means for investors. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. DuPont reported net sales of $3.3 billion for the second quarter, marking a 3% increase. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The growth in net sales was primarily driven by a 2% increase in organic sales, which included a 4% rise in volume. This was partially offset by a 2% decrease in price. The ElectronicsCo segment in particular saw a 6% organic sales growth, highlighting strong demand in semiconductor technologies and AI applications.
And what about profitability?
DuPont's operating EBITDA came in at $859 million, an 8% increase from the previous year. The operating EBITDA margin expanded by 120 basis points to 26.4%, reflecting improved operational efficiencies and cost management.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. DuPont reported an adjusted EPS of $1.12, surpassing the analyst forecast of $1.06. John, what contributed to this outperformance?
The 15% growth in adjusted EPS was driven by higher segment earnings and a lower tax rate. The company's focus on operational execution and strong performance in key markets like electronics and healthcare played a significant role in exceeding expectations.
It's impressive to see them beat the forecast. How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There were 6 analysts surveyed, and DuPont's ability to surpass their expectations is a testament to their robust business strategy and market positioning.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's shift our focus to operational efficiencies and future outlook. DuPont reported cash provided by operating activities of $381 million. John, how does this impact their financial health?
DuPont's strong cash flow generation, with a transaction-adjusted free cash flow of $433 million, underscores their ability to convert earnings into cash effectively. This financial strength supports their strategic initiatives, including the planned spin-off of their electronics business, Kiniti, set for November 1st, 2025.
And what about their future guidance?
DuPont has raised its full-year 2025 earnings guidance, reflecting confidence in their ongoing performance and market conditions. This positive outlook is bolstered by continued strength in key end markets like healthcare and electronics.
CEO and CFO insights. Let's hear from the leadership. CEO Lori Koch mentioned strong earnings growth and margin expansion. John, what are your thoughts on her statement?
Lori Koch highlighted the company's focus on operational execution and strength in key markets, which have driven earnings growth and margin expansion. This aligns with the financial results we've discussed, showcasing DuPont's strategic focus and execution capabilities.
And CFO Antonella Franzen raised the full-year guidance. How significant is this move?
Raising the guidance is a strong signal of confidence from the management. It indicates that DuPont expects to continue its positive momentum despite potential headwinds like tariffs. This move should reassure investors about the company's future prospects.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, DuPont's Q2 2025 performance has been impressive, with strong sales growth, profitability, and a raised full-year guidance. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
DuPont's strategic focus on high-growth markets and operational efficiencies positions them well for future success. The raised guidance and planned spin-off of their electronics business further enhance their investment appeal.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on DuPont's performance in the comments below.